Good morning, everyone. My name is Gonzaga Mungai. I'm the flower manager at Fairtrade Africa. Welcome to the Flowers Virtual Tour platform. I hope that my sound is okay and that you can hear me. I want to open this session by introducing the speakers, and then I'll also run you through the agenda of what we intend to cover today. This is a very exciting initiative for us, and it's a concept or a project that has been implemented in collaboration with Fairtrade Africa, Max Havelaar Switzerland, that is through our Flowers Global Product Manager, and Wildfire Flowers. So in today's session, we'll have 4 speakers, and we'll start with Melanie. Melanie, please wave. I think we can see you. Yeah. So Melanie is the global product manager for flowers, and she is based in Switzerland. And she'll be able to run us through the virtual tour concept to help us understand why we thought about this concept and its significance, especially from a market perspective. And then we'll also have Patrick. Has Patrick joined us? So Frida, you can confirm if Patrick has joined, kindly.
Sorry, Gonzaga, he hasn't joined yet, but I'm still standing in for him.
Okay,
yeah.
Good. Frida then will stand in on behalf of Patrick until the time he joins. We partnered with Wildfire Flowers to do this project, and Patrick is the general manager of Wildfire Flowers, and we'd want him to just tell us briefly why they agreed to this initiative and what are their expectations, why they think it can be a good project or initiative for them. Then Joy will come in. She will be able to run us through the virtual platform itself. So there's a link that we are going to provide you where you're going to be able to log onto a site that will take you directly to Wildfire Flowers. And you'll be able to navigate through Wildfire Flowers and also watch a few videos about Wildfire Flowers. Then we'll give you about 20 minutes to have that experience by yourselves. You navigate through the platform, you watch the videos, and then we can reconvene after those 20 minutes to be able to have a short Q&A session, hoping to end the session within the next 1 hour. So the microphone is muted for all participants except the speakers. So if you have any questions, please type them in on the chat box, and we are going to be able to respond to them. So without further ado, Melanie, please, I'd like to welcome you to take us through the first session of this virtual tour. Thank you.
Thank you, Gonzaga. A very warm welcome to you all and to this exciting project we have right now. I would like to show you a bit of a background on the project itself. You see here a picture of a possible trader or retailer sitting in Europe or in any market of fair trade flowers around the world. And the issue is that those people, they can't travel as much as they did before. And we expect that traveling itself will be much more restricted in the future. And we have the case that many decision makers for fair trade flowers can't travel to the south and see by themselves how it looks like. And that's why we want to really have this connection here. You see that they at least have an impression on the impact. So, as I said, with the current pandemic and the issue of global warming intensifying, we expect Fairtrade flower and plant partners and customers to reduce their travel activities to origin. We have seen that this is really the case. We have seen that the visit, a live visit to Fairtrade flower farms to experience the impact of Fairtrade personally, has always managed to convince partners significantly and also sustainably for Fairtrade flowers. And therefore, we had to find ways to bring flower farms and the impact of Fairtrade to workers and the farm closer to our partners and decision makers in a digital way. And we thought about this, and you might know about the online premium platform we already launched. And this platform has already traders and retailers accessing the platform, existing Fairtrade flowers traders and retailers in Europe and around the world. And we thought that it would make sense to add a virtual visit feature to that platform. So the objectives of this virtual visit online tool is to give traders and retailers a sustainable insight for Fairtrade flowers, even without the possibility to visit the farms personally or live. It is also to give flower farms the opportunity to broadcast and position their farms towards their direct, the traders, and indirect, the retailers' customers. And we want to give the traders and retailers a good overview on the variety of Fairtrade flowers in the respective flower farms and the option to get into direct contact and conversations. So we want to shorten the barriers of the contact. And we want, and this is also very important, we want to allow access to this virtual visits to flower consumers all around the world through our communications. So here I just want to give an overview, and I would really to mention here that we are in the first stage of realization, so we aren't finished yet. The whole project is for the first farm, Winchester, is planned to be finalized in the coming weeks. But to give you an idea on how that looks like, this is the online premium platform as it is, as some of the farms might know it. And there will be an additional tab where you can click on and have a look at the virtual visits. You're going to then get to the virtual tour here with Wildfire, where you can have a look at the 3D tour. You're going to have a short introduction by Joey afterwards, and you will be able to select areas to visit. So the management team, the production, the workers, the environmental activities, the products, the product varieties. You're going to see what you might not know about the farm. You're going to know what the alumni of that specific farms are talking about. We're talking about Fairtrade Premium alumni, what they're doing, what their present situation is right now. And what is also possible to do a live session if a farm wants to do this, that is special at a special date and time, a meeting with the farm is possible. And you see the latest news of the farm's premium projects. So that's how it's going to look like. We're going to have then films, small films, and a lot more information down here. So that's what you can expect. I would like to really give a big thank you to the Fairtrade Africa team, and especially Gonzaga and Joy for the realization of that first project. And of course, also the support of Wildfire Flowers. And we are very excited to show you that at the moment. I would also like to mention here that this is a pilot. That's the first example I want to show you. And it will be possible, and also it is intended to multiply this to a lot more farms. So if you as a farm are interested to participate, to have such a virtual tour as well, please contact Gonzaga and Joy. Or if you as a trader and retailer are interested to visit a specific farm, let us know. I give over to Joy to have a view on the results.
Thank you, Melanie. I think before I go, there is Patrick from Wildfire Flowers to share a few thoughts on the platform before we can show it to everybody here. Patrick or Penina, are you there?
Hello, yes, Joy, we're here. Sorry, I joined the meeting a little bit late. I was just trying to catch up with Penina and Frida about the discussions. So regarding the this platform, for us, I thought actually, regardless of whether, okay, let me start my video, 1 second. Then you can see me now. So regardless of whether we have COVID, I think this is a fantastic initiative to be able to demonstrate to the customers how our production process and what goes through to producing a fair trade flower. So for us, this improves our visibility in the market, which is so important. I don't know, you know, in sort of other areas, Joy, that you're looking as to highlight for this particular platform?
I think that's good for a start. It's good to hear what your expectations are of the platform, and maybe towards the very end, we'd be interested we'd be interested in seeing whether there are any questions or feedback from the participants we have here. So we might want to remain plugged in for a couple of minutes until that's okay. 11 a.m. Yeah.
Good.
Thank you. Thank you, Patrick, and thank you, Melanie and Gonzaga. So I'm very happy to now introduce the virtual tour to you. What I will begin by doing is sharing a link with you. This is a link that you can use to access the virtual tour platform. And after about 5 minutes, you will have some time to navigate through it. So if you'll just give me a minute. So this is a link that we will be using for the virtual tour platform. But before then, I'll take a few minutes to just share some tips or guidelines on how you can best navigate the platform. Let me know whether my screen should be projecting in a minute. Somebody confirm that you can see my screen. Thank you, Gonzaga. So what you have in front of you is what Melanie just introduced to us a couple of minutes ago. And this is what the virtual tour platform looks like. What we have here are some 360 images of what Wildfire Flowers, which is based in Naivasha, looks like. So what you will want to do is navigate through several sections that we have here. The first being a general overview of fair trade of Wildfire Flowers. The next section has a very good view of the entrance. You'll be able to see the greenhouses here. We've got flower nutrition. So the way this is arranged is for you to be able to sort of take a journey through Wildfire Flowers right from the beginning to the very end. And at the very end, you will see how the flowers are harvested, how the packing is done, and how the freight is also done. One of the things you will want to, one of the things that will be useful for you during this tour are these buttons that we have right at the bottom. This is what will help you navigate through specific sections of the flower farm. So for you to be able to get a 360 view of any given area at Wildfire Flowers, then you would have to click on these navigation buttons that will take you through that from a 360 view. In some of the sections, you will notice that we have a play button We have this in three sections of the flower farms here. And this icon indicates that there's some videos for you to look at. There's some couple of videos that we've been able to record where we have a number of workers speaking. We have somebody explaining the flower production process. And we've also got a beneficiary of the Fairtrade Premium Fund, that is a Fairtrade alumni, who speaks about the impact of the bursaries that have been afforded to him as a result of the Fairtrade Premium. So you can click on this play button to be able to look at those videos. A disclaimer and a very useful note that for you to be able to stop the videos from playing, what you will do is click on this information button. And I think I will demonstrate that for you very quickly.
You can do full screen, Joy. I guess that's also, yeah.
Yes, I can do full screen too. So what you will do is, in this case, for example, there is a video. So if you want to see the video, you will click on that. And you will be able to see the video. So for the best experience, like Melanie has mentioned, you will want to make sure that your screen is maximized. And something else that I also need to share is that for you to stop the video from playing, what you will do is click on the information button and the video will stop playing immediately. And just to demonstrate that very quickly, I will play it. And I click on the information button to stop the video from playing. So one other thing that is also useful for you is this particular information button, because it provides you with additional information on any given section. So in this case, for example, we're able to get a bit more information about exactly what's going on here and what wildfire is about. So we click on the information button here to get more information. So we have this icon on every other section of the virtual tour. And as I mentioned, these are some of the icons that you will click on to help you get a 360 view of various sections of the flower farm. I'll be sharing some of these. I'll be sharing some of these notes on the chat box just to help you refer to that in case you run into any problems. But at the same time, please feel free to interact via the chat box. I'll be available to provide any support in case you run into any challenges with the platform. But otherwise, at this point, I think what I would want to do is stop sharing my screen.
Joy,
yes.
You just again share the screen. What is also important is the red circles that you see on the image. You can click on them and then you get on the 3D images. So that's also to make you able to really dive into the image. That's a special feature as well. And have a look, really, there are 3 videos. Have a look if you find them and have a look at them, because they're really, really exciting as well and give an image. What we want to add as well is that there is some music that is going along with the images or sound. This sound is not final. We have to still improve the sound and add some additional sound. So sometimes it's repeating. Don't get confused about this. It's just to give you an idea on how it should look like at the end.
Good.
Thanks, Joy.
Thank
Sorry.
you, Melanie.
Okay. So
you can also zoom out and in the image. So you can do that with, so that's also something very interesting. You can go out, Joy, try to zoom out, and then it gets really high. Not in, but out, So that's also something you can try out on the link.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Melanie and Joy. I hope we all have access to the link Joy, please post the link again on the chat box so that everybody can access. I'm sure you'll have your own experience and you'll be able to navigate through the platform and know the different features that are on the platform. We are available on, we're on standby in case you're having any technical difficulty, and we can be able to support. So we take the next 20 minutes to interact with the platform, watch the videos, and then we can come back for a final Q&A session. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Gonzaga. And I think I just want to emphasize that for the best experience, please maximize the screen so you'd be able to get a much better view of the platform.
Good. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed virtual tour or journey in Wildflower Flowers. So this is the Q&A session. Thank you for all the compliments and the comments that we've seen in the chat session section. So I'm opening this up now for any questions that you may have for either ourselves, Fairtrade, in terms of the virtual tour platform, or for Wildflower Flowers, where we have Patrick on standby to be able to respond to any questions. So any questions, please drop them on the chat box and we'll be able to respond to them.
I've seen one question about the sound and inactivation and control of the sound. This will be implemented in the final version.
Yes, I think this is not the final output. There's some few things we are still editing and refining. So we expect a final version of this production in the next few days.
Gonzaga, there is one question about
again,
how much time and resource you need to do this. What main challenges to produce a virtual farm platform? That might be interesting. You want to cover this?
Yeah. So in terms of resources, first of all, I think this is a very innovative initiative. It's embracing new technology and services that are not widely available. So therefore, it wasn't a very cheap project. Also execution, we needed to find the right service providers, who are also very few. So, however, we think it's a worthwhile investment, and possibly Melanie can comment further on this. If there are any producers or traders who are interested in such an initiative, we would want to see how we can collaborate to roll out similar programs or initiatives in other flower farms. Particularly for this one, I think it costs around between $4,000 and $6,000. I don't have the right figures on the top of my head, but yeah, that is the price range for executing this.
However, Gonzaga, we are really planning to, and we want to make this possible for all farms. And we see a kind of a collaboration here that the farms could contribute, that we can contribute, and that possibly also the market partners can contribute. We don't have yet feedback from market partners because you're the first that see it. We might have market partners joining this session right now, but we're really certain that the market partners will like this and will have a deep impression about the farm they visit and the impact of fair trade. And we are sure that with more farms coming, you're going to have lower cost in production as well, because this was just the first one where we didn't know a lot in production side as well.
Yeah, okay. Any other questions? Joy, would you like to talk about possibly the experience in executing this on the ground? I think you were there with the team, with the service provider, and also worked with Wildfire Flowers to be able to complete the project on the ground.
Yes, Gonzaga, thank you very much. I think this was a very exciting project to do, and I think even before I go on, I think again I want to say thanks very much to the team at Wildfire, because they did put aside quite some bit of time to make sure that we were able to move around and speak to everybody that we needed to speak to. Get a very good understanding of each stage of the flower production. So I would say it was very interesting. And I would say that that even as we look to scale this up to other producers as we move along with time, some of the things that we might want to put into consideration, of course, are the time factor. We would want to make sure that we have as much time as possible to deliver on content that is very good and speaks to the needs of retailers. I think one of the things that we're really looking forward to at this point, and even as everybody here gets to interact with the platform later, is to see how well this is going to play out, especially with various retailers and buyers, because that feedback will be very useful in seeing how we can make this better, just to serve the various needs that exist in the market generally.
Again, there is a question about if we have shared this virtual toolkit with buyers. Again, I have to say not yet, because it's really just fresh from the press, but it will be shared immediately, really from today on. And we will, of course, as Joy said, include feedbacks from the buyers as well, and from the decision makers. So that's really something we would like to point out here. We don't want to contact or show this to the buyers only, but to the retailers as well and to consumers. We want to bring your farm closer to all of them. And that's the reason why we did this.
Melanie, I see there's a question about when the platform will be ready to launch.
Yes, so we expect to have a full visible, tour of Wildfire in maximum 2 weeks' time. I would say that everything will be ready, that we'll have all information online. That will be on the online premium platform. This platform is accessible by all fair trade traders and retailers, and also you as a farm. The link to the virtual tour is open to everybody, and that's not the case for the premium reporting. This is only open to the ones that are registered. So the link to the virtual tour will probably, as far as I know right now, be integrated as well in the respective websites of the national fair trade organizations in Europe and around the world. Not everywhere, but where it fits, that will be the case.
Great. I can see there are no other questions on the chat box. In case you didn't have time to interact with the platform, with the virtual tour platform, once again, it will be accessible to everyone for the duration of the conference. So you can still go in and interact with it. Would really appreciate your feedback. We've already seen some of the comments. We'll take this into consideration. then lastly, I think I want to again thank Wildfire Flowers for agreeing to partner with us in this initiative. And yeah, we really are excited about it because it is the first in the flower sector. And yeah, we hope that it will translate to more visibility in the market and increased fair trade sales, not only for Wildfire Flowers, but all our fair trade certified flower producers. Thank you, everyone. And without, I want to end this session, and please continue. I look forward to meeting you and also engaging with you in the rest of the program, of the AFC program. Thank you, everyone. And
Gonzaga, sorry.
Yeah.
Before you go, very quickly, I see there is a question. There is a comment from Erwin. I think he's from addresses here that they can write to very quickly just before we end the session.
Yeah, okay, yeah. And I think if there are any other questions, you can also connect with us on Hubilu. Simply look for myself, Joy, or Melanie, and you're able to drop us a message and we can be able to connect further and respond to any questions or comments that you'll be having. Thank you, Joy, for that. Thank you, and have a good rest of the day.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Gonzaga. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.